Are you struggling to hire and retain top talent in your organization? As an HR professional, it's crucial to understand the latest business insights when it comes to attracting and keeping the best employees. With the job market becoming increasingly competitive, it's important to stay ahead of the game. From offering competitive salaries and benefits to providing a positive work culture, there are various strategies that can be implemented to ensure your company is able to attract and retain top talent. Understanding current trends and best practices in the industry is essential for HR professionals. By staying informed and implementing effective hiring and retention strategies, you can ensure your organization remains competitive in the talent market. Stay updated with the latest business insights and make informed decisions to hire and retain the best employees for your company's success.